Is he a victim or a villain? Hi, welcome to the series Decoding Human Side of Mahabharata. Earlier we have done a series on Bhishma, and today we will take another very important character with a question. Is he a victim or a villain? Today we will talk about Shakuni. Shakuni was the prince of Kandhar and he was known to be a very scheming person. Even today, if someone is scheming, the first question comes is he Shakuni Mama? Bhishma went to Gandhar and asked Gandhar Naresh for marrying his daughter to Dhritarashtra. Shakuni was shocked and he didn't like the proposal at all because Dhritarashtra was blind by birth. Gandhari, for the fear of Bhishma and for her father, agreed to get married to Dhritarashtra, and she immediately tied her eyes in the marriage. Shakuni was very upset with this and he played his victim card. We are just questioning whether he was a victim or a villain. Shakuni was very unhappy with this alliance and he decided to destroy Kuru Vansh completely. He had no strength on his own or he didn't have a Sena to attack and beat Bhishma. What he chose is to shift from Gandhar to Hastinapur to stay with his sister. Gandhari was blessed with 100 sons, the eldest being Duryodhana. Duryodhana was very dear to Shakuni and genuinely he loved Duryodhana and he used to mold him for achieving his ultimate goal. Shakuni was an expert in Chaucer or a dice game. It is said that he had a skill of throwing the dice that nobody could beat him. Gradually, he influenced Yudhishthira to get interested in dice game. He knew that Yudhishthira had a weakness for this game. He encouraged him. The way he came from Gandhar to Hastinapur and took over some part of the authority, he did the same to split Pandavas and Kauravas. Right from beginning he was influencing Duryodhan, and when Yudhishthira was made the prince and not Duryodhana, he was extremely upset. He gradually influenced and created a dice game where Pandavas and Kauravas were to fight in a Chaucer, not in a war. The result of that is Pandavas lost everything and Draupadi Vastraharan happened. It was the most embarrassing moment in our history or mythology. Even after that, he did not allow even to give 5 villages to Pandavas to settle the war. He wanted the war and he wanted the complete dynasty to be ruined, and he finally achieved that. At what cost? He also died in the war. The question is, what Shakuni right or wrong? An aggrieved person, can he for a vengeance go to this extent to destroy everything around? This question I would like to leave it to the audience. Please comment on this. In my view, what he suffered is alright, but what he finally created and did is not right.